time. I gotta put some mulch down in the front of my bushes in the front of my house. So I'm gonna put some of this red mulch down because that'll be a perfect contrast to those bushes over there. So let me get my bags laid out so we can get this mulch down. All right, you guys, let's get this last bag of mulch in, laid it out, and then we'll start opening them up and get them down. All right, here we go. All right, I gotta get my tool so I can get them opened up. Some clearing of the weeds first before I can get this mulch down. So let's go take care of these weeds. trying to kill the weeds, and I have mulch, black mulch, that I'm going to put around this mailbox, and hopefully it will help deter the weeds. So let me get this mulch open. I'll put it down and then I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Come on, cardboard and mulch. Guys, I've got the black mulch down. I have a hosta here. I have a red pot that I'm going to be putting on that brick, but I haven't found the right flowers I want to put in there for the fall, but at least it is done. Woohoo! I'm so excited. This area is completed. Now, let's go dig out the okra stalks and get that area cleaned up. Okay, so now I have all these okra stalks. As you can see, I'm going to dig these all up, rake up this area, and look how thick that one is. That one is huge, like a trunk of a tree. So like I said, I'm going to clean this area up because I've received as much okra as I possibly can get for this season. And like I said, I have 2 big bags of okra in my freezer. So that should get me through the winter into spring. And then if I have enough or I need enough, I'll just grow some more okra. All right, let's dig these bad boys up. So I pulled up all the stalks of the okra. Look at that. I have one that was huge. Let me show you this one. Huge. Look at this. Look at the roots on this bad boy. This one was not playing. Look how thick it is. Like I said, it's almost like a trunk of a tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done, because I need to chop all that up and I need to get it in this trash can right here. All right, let me get it going. Guys, the okra have been taken down and I've raked it the best that I can. So your girl will be thinking in the winter what I will be doing in the springtime to figure out what I'm going to plant there. I might put my bell peppers back there. All right, so let's go do a little sneak attack on one of my sweet potato buckets. Let's go see. Woohoo! Bye, okra. Thanks for all the wonderful food you provided me this season. Here's one of my sweet potato buckets. You can see all the leaves have died back. So I'm going to just dig around here and see if there's any sweet potatoes in here. Let's see. Woohoo! I see something. Because I know I got to get out here and get to harvesting these potatoes. But let's see. Look. Ooh, there's a good one right here, you guys. This is a preview of what my Thanksgiving dinner is going to be like. There's one there. And then here's one here. So I am thankful, thankful, thankful. Woohoo! Sweet potatoes we'll be having for Thanksgiving. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garden today. And this is just a little preview of what my sweet potato harvest is going to be like. I'm hoping and praying that I have at least enough to feed my family. And we're going to have to do a new video soon on this over here. My shishitos I got to pick. I've got some bell peppers over here that are still kind of small, but they still look good. So I'm telling you, I'm harvesting, and I'm so blessed to still be able to get some food in the fall/winter season. But this right here, I'm so excited. First sweet potatoes of the season. All right now. Woohoo! Good job. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.